In the world today, housing, or the lack of it, has become a major crisis, and it is a growing one. The UN Habitat Annual Report for 2009 stated that some 1.15 billion urban residents, that's 1/6 of humankind, live in slums. And if no serious action is taken, their number is projected to rise over the next 30 years to about 2 billion. Regionally, the numbers present a challenging problem. The scarcity of adequate and affordable housing with related social and basic services infrastructure, such as water and sanitation, is undeniable, with a global need to deliver a staggering tens of thousands of housing units a year. The need for housing is more acute in areas of conflict such as Palestine and Libya, and the disaster-struck countries such as Haiti and Pakistan. The United Kingdom itself is not exempt from this massive need for adequate and affordable housing. The Department for Communities and Local Government believe that for decades, the housing market hasn't kept up with the needs of the growing population, so there aren't enough houses being built. As a result of the shortages of affordable housing everywhere in the UK, the Prime Minister suggested that council homes should no longer be granted for life. As the coalition government implement measures to get the country's economy back on track, local councils are looking at more innovative ways to meet the housing requirement. This is where Omega Structural Systems comes in. Omega has developed an affordable housing system that families can own for many years and can be expanded as required. This system can be applied not only in the UK, but particularly in developing nations, in order to meet their housing requirements.
Our system is fairly unique in as much that the need for low cost is housing, and the second need is employment. This system embodies both of those in country or in community. One of the main reasons for our mission is to supply employment. We intend to train these employees in factory on the practical side of the business of producing units, and to also train management within factory who are capable of taking this factory over after a suitable period of training. Omega, to my knowledge, are the only company who are putting in country an asset such as a factory with an ongoing basis to produce these units.
I'm passionate of this because of the need throughout the world for a better living standard and a fairer distribution of wealth, but also of employment. Maximising cost with quality and production volumes is a very, very important factor in fulfilling the requirement for low-cost housing. Omega Structural Systems, I do believe, has sorted out those key points, and production with the system we've designed will be attained. The timing at this moment in time couldn't be better for an automatic system of production which gives quality, lower prices, jobs to come into effect.
Using Omega to meet local housing needs has its benefits and advantages. This includes creating assets as factories are set up in country for 5 years, followed by local transfer of ownership, affordable housing with water and sanitation, sustainable employment, training and development of workforce, corporate social responsibility, and export opportunities for the host nation. Omega Structural Systems is a unique enterprise offering sustainable, affordable housing in large volumes, providing a housing legacy to last generations worldwide.